Well, we've had a great rally on the S&P 500. We've been doing constant analysis. We did not make it above my trend line yesterday after the close. This is the very same trend line. That's the high of that reversal to that long side. And we had a nice long side up for 3 days to today's reversal high. S&P is only down 12.7 handles, 12.72. But it is referred to as a sell program into the resistance. Bernanke was a big contributing factor to it today. He had his little, spill about the economy like he always does. One thing he did do clearly, though, this time, because he had no choice, is that last time when he was at 3.5% growth at year end, he had to come out and make his adjustments, meaning that the man wasn't right. So basically what it does mean here, though, is that this is a 3-day rally. That's the third day of this bottom-up move. So on a daily level, you got a 1-day, then the 3-day process, and then you get into a 5-day process. So now that it's after the closing bell, we're going to be able to take a look at what this September trade is going to be about by doing a very sophisticated mathematical equation that will trade on a weekly level. We have closed the first actual 5 trading days of the month. Weekends don't count. Yes, it is 9/8/2011. You got to take the day 1, day 2 of September, then the third day, not the actual date it won't be, but the actual 5 trading days, and we've completed it. And we've had a 3-day rally up, and we did not take out that resistance line. And once again, yeah, it did get on a high today, and it got right up to our price target of 1204.40. 1204.40. And in the MMT platform, we clearly stated that we had to get above that 1204.5. We were within a dime, and we sold into it at the first pass. Doesn't mean that, like anything at the first major resistance levels, we had major resistance levels right over here, that when we had tested the double bottom, we finally had made that higher high, but we got through that. Now we're not getting through this one on the first pass. If we gap below the 20-day simple moving average, then there will be more selling. The volume remains extremely light. That's the S&P 500 daily reversal, and basically what it is on the third day, it sold right into our trend line here. We have covered it every day after the close. This is the way that it was on first pass. Support level, if you get below it in the 20-day, becomes new resistance, then we have a chance, not a chance, we will have a reversal back down. It's all very short macro trend.